Welcome to the GTI Faculty Portal. We are honored to have elite faculty like you on our team.
Hey guys, Chris here. Today we'll talk about presentation skills and the most common mistakes that presenters make, particularly in front of large crowds. This is just a reminder to continue to maintain the quality of all the presentations each of you make, and we deeply appreciate all the support and hard work you do for our courses. Thank you.
10 techniques that separate amateurs from experts. Today we're cutting through all the noise and getting straight to the essentials of effective presentation. Whether you're briefing a squad, teaching trauma response, or pitching a new initiative, how you present is just as important as what you present. Let's walk through 10 techniques that elevate your delivery and eliminate distractions. Number 1, don't carry a yard sale up front. Remember, when you step up to speak, leave the clutter behind. No armfuls of gear, no stack of papers, no juggling water bottles. Walk up clean, focused, and ready. You want the audience's attention on you and not your cargo. Number 2, stay professionally dressed and neat. Your appearance sets the tone before you even say a word. Dress sharp, stay neat. Whether it's tactical gear or even business casual, look like you respect the room and the mission. Wrinkled shirts and scuffled boots don't say elite, they say unprepared. Number 3, don't read directly from the screen. Your slides are a tool and not a teleprompter. If you're reading word for word, you've lost the room. Know your material. Speak to the audience, not to the pixels behind you. Number 4, never turn your back on the audience. This one's very simple. If your back is to the crowd, your connection is gone. Stay open, stay engaged. Use gestures, glance at your visuals, but always return your focus to the people in front of you. Number 5, don't read large paragraphs verbatim. Dense blocks of text are a death sentence for attention spans. Summarize, highlight key points, and translate data into meaning. Your job is to interpret, not to recite. Leave your phone behind. Unless your timer or your emergency alert system, your phone has no business in your hand while presenting. It does signal distraction, insecurity, and lack of professionalism. Pocket it, silence it, forget it. Number 7, avoid a low or monotone voice. Your voice is your instrument. Use it. Vary your pitch, pace, and even volume. Emphasize key ideas. If you sound bored, your audience will be too. And speak like the message matters, because it does. 8, display confidence. Stay relaxed. Stay tall, shoulders back, hands out of your pockets. You're not on trial, you're leading. Confidence isn't arrogance, it's calm, control. Breathe, move with purpose, and let your body language reinforce your message. Number 9, don't read from the notes. Notes are a safety net and they're not a script. Glance if needed, but don't bury your face in them. Know your flow. Practice your transitions. Speak from understanding and not from paper. Number 10, don't use training age as a crutch. Laser pointers, clickers, handouts, yes, they're tools, but they're not therapy. If you're wringing your hands or clinging to props, the audience sees nervousness, not leadership. Use aids with intention and then let them go. In closing, presenting isn't just about information, it's about influence. And these 10 techniques aren't fluff. They're field-tested habits that build trust, command attention, and deliver impact. Whether you're briefing a room of operators or a board of directors, show up sharp, speak with clarity, and lead with presence. Let's raise the standard.
GTI Faculty Portal, your command center for elite trauma instruction. Gear up, lock in your schedule, and stay mission ready. Excellence starts here.